Hello, good evening everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, in today's video we are going to look at how to change the page background in CorelDraw 2023. It does work in any other version of CorelDraw you are using. So without any further ado, let us get into the video. So first of all, you will need to launch your CorelDraw and also open to the particular project you are working on, and specifically the page you want to change or insert the background. Then so this is my work here, and I need to change the background. Go to layout here at the top here. So we go to layout, you go to layout, then you can see page background over here. You click on it, and then you change it from no background to solid, or you can also use the bitmap this time if you have the file. Then in my case I'll choose the solid, and then you can choose your color from here. So you can see we also have different ways of choosing or picking your color. So in case I need to change my background color to this particular color here, I'll select it like this and then close this place. Then you come and click on OK, and you can see the work has been done. So guys, this is what I have for you today. Thank you. Don't forget to like and then comment if you don't understand anything, and at the same time subscribe to this channel if you are not a subscriber. Thank you. Meet you in my next video.